If you need to find a vehicle information on a Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, and this is the GLX model. And in this video I'm going to be showing you the locations of all the vehicle identification labels. So this will include the VIN number, paint code, manufacturer date, the tyre information and much more. So first off, we're going to start over the left hand side, or the passenger side of the vehicle in this instance. And we're just going to lift up the windscreen wiper. And you'll actually see that number there through the windscreen, and this is your VIN number. So the VIN number is useful to order parts or to find out the true identity of the car, and this is repeated quite a lot over the car and also stamped on the chassis, where I'll show you in just a second. Then we're going to open up the passenger door fully and just come down and look into the door jamb here. You can actually find a lot of information on this label. So Toyota Motor Corporation Japan, and then that is the exact model number. So this is an FJA 300R, and then you've got some other denominations after that. And then it gives you your engine type and also the engine capacity. Now this has the 3.3 litre bi-turbo diesel, and then your frame number is actually a repeat of the VIN number there as well. And then underneath you've got the colour codes. This is 040, the trim type and the plant where it was manufactured, and also we've got the axle type there as well and transmission. Next we're going to go over to the driver's side of the vehicle, or the right hand side of the vehicle in this instance. Again, open up the door fully, and then just down here next to the lock there we've got these figures, which is actually our tyre information. So it gives you the stock tyre size and then the tyre pressures in both KPA and PSI. We then come down to this manufacturer label here, which again tells you it's a Toyota Land Cruiser 300. It was produced in August 2023, and it's got a serial number there, and then this is a repeat of your VIN number. So I'm just going to pop the bonnet as well while we're here, and then come round to the engine bay. Now there's actually not too much to find under the engine bay, and to lift up the bonnet we're just going to put a hand in there, move it to the left and lift that straight up like so. But some of the information you might find around here is fluid types, and this is actually your air conditioning gas type up there. And then lastly, but probably most important, is where the VIN number is actually stamped into the chassis. And you'll notice that I've actually got the wheels turned slightly to the left, and that's so that we can get into the right hand or the driver's side wheel arch, and you'll see where the VIN number is stamped into the chassis. So there we go, that's all of the important information labels you might find on a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. If you found this video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.